I'm Joe with NIPTUK. We build custom cars, specializing in resto mods, like our 77 Bronco. Yeah, when we got it, the body was 3 feet above the chassis, and they said, put it together. It's like getting a puzzle without the box. And then the owner has thrown in a couple little twists and add-ons as we go, and as technology comes out and innovates, he's wanted to add more and more into the truck. There's a lot of little tricks in it, between the turn signals in the mirrors, the power locks, the heated seats. On the interior, the whole dash has been reworked. The glove box has been moved over a couple inches to clear the roll cage. Roll cage is totally custom to the truck. It's, like I said, it's got vintage air, heating and air, so it's all pulse width modulated. Bluetooth radio from Retro Sound. Again, LED lights. We've got a Dakota Digital RTX cluster, so it still looks like 1977, but when you turn it on, you're in 2024. It's all real leather from Tom's Bronco parts. Fiberglass headliner, which was an absolute chore to get it to fit with the custom roll cage. New Relic power windows. So we've got the cranks to look like old school, but it's today's power. Amp step rails underneath, which we've seen is almost a must-do on all these older lifted trucks. A 363 stroker, dart block scat internal, featuring Mega Squirt for engine management, CompuShift for transmission management. It is on a 4R75 transmission with an Atlas 2 transfer case, which features been fully shaved down and then given a brushed finish. It's on 2 tanks, so it can run 110 race fuel or 91 octane fuel. All nice and dressed out, aluminum radiator, mechanical fan, still retains heat and air conditioning. We've got Hydro Boost brakes, all LED lighting. We've tried real hard to keep the original look with the hatching and the lights and all of the lenses, but everything is true LED. And yep, this came to us September 25th, 2019 in a multitude of boxes, but we're glad to be at the finish line, cleaned up, ready, waiting for the owner to come in from San Diego and hopefully go enjoy it on the coast.